This is a PCI demo for Agent Present PayByLink. This demo is focused on creating an Agent Present web link, which means the person is either with you or on the phone and is unable to type in their keypad. You can also pair a telephone call from here. Please refer to demo for telephone pairing to see how that works. To get started, click on Collect Card by Web Link to begin. You will now see multiple input boxes which are required by the payment provider. The options here can range quite significantly, but a lot of them generally follow the same pattern. The customer's first name, last name, address and reference number are some of the commonly required details for most payment providers. Please note this page is highly customizable and you don't necessarily need it if you are passing into the query string from your CRM, as that is also a supported option. If something you want is not supported, it can be added on request. Once you are happy, click Next and you will now begin the card capture. You will now see multiple input boxes as well as a spinner saying Waiting for Customer. Send the customer the link at the top under Customer Secure Card Collection Link. Now you just need to sit and wait for the customer to fill out their link. As this is a demo, please head over to the link in a separate browser tab so we can capture the details. Now you're on the customer link page, you should see a very familiar design to the agent side. In here you will need to enter all of the details of the customer. For demonstration purposes I'm going to enter test into most boxes and Santa 1 as the postcode, as this is an acceptable postcode. Now we are on to the card number. Please enter into the box 492900000006. This is the test card number for Opeo, who are this portal's payment provider. Now enter the expiry date of 0128 and then the CVV number 123. This is the number on the back of the card. Once you are happy, you should see that everything has been ticked, meaning the validation has been successful. Now click the Send button. Now back to the agent portal, you should see everything you inputted on the customer link. When you are happy to continue, please enter the amount into the field Amount and Verify Amount. If for any reason it hasn't captured correctly, please refresh the page and start the process again. Now click the Next button. You should now be on the results page, where it will give you the information about the payment results. There is always a big header at the top that tells you the status. This will be given either by the payment provider, or if one is not in place, we will have a default message in there. This part will normally tell you if the payment was successful, the customer didn't have enough funds, or if it was declined. You can customize what you want to display here based on what the provider gives back. Some providers give you a lot of information about the transaction. Some only give you the required amount to identify the payment and expect you to use their portal. Once you receive the transaction status, you can start another payment by pressing the Start Again button.